my name's Cindy.
My name's Amika.
And we are new to YouTube. So this is our first video, and don't forget to check out our channel because it is called
Amika Sparkles.
So please get us to like 1,000 subscribers
So we can be famous on YouTube.
So yeah, and please watch this video. So today we will be doing painting for our first video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post a new video.
So let's get on with the video.
So first we're going to read all the colours. 36 metallic colours. And by the way, we ordered this on Amazon Shopping.
And the colours are gold, Aztec gold, pearl copper gold, bronze, pearl marmalade, pearl deep brown, silver, pearl space grey, pearl white, pearl canary yellow, pearl golden hour, pearl tangerine orange, pearl papaya orange, pearl amaranth red, pearl pink tulip, pearl pink, pearl rose white, pearl rose, pearl hot pink, pearl raspberry red, pearl magenta, pearl strawberry red, pearl royal purple, pearl lilac, pearl electric blue, pearl sky blue, pearl glacier blue, pearl turquoise, pearl sea green, pearl pastel blue green, pearl sage green, pearl cactus green, pearl olive green, pearl cactus, pearl lime green, pearl pistachio green.
So those are all 36 metallic colours. So now we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so I'm going to go first.
Okay. Okay, that's 3.
Okay.
So she got pearl golden hour, pearl space grey, pearl canary yellow.
Okay, so I like these, but I don't know how I'm going to do a swirl in grey. Hi, Ted.
Okay. I'm gonna pick this one. Got it.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay. So these are your colours. You first got pearl sea green, pearl amaranth red, and pearl royal purple.
Okay, these are actually not bad. I really like it. I've never seen a pearl sea green, but it looks nice. So,
She's painting first. So when she paints, I'm going to go like this, and we're not going to see each other's. By the way, I like to like jokes, so please like answer this question. So like, what's something that has no body and that has no nose? Pause this video and then tell us what you think it is.
yeah.
And then come back and then tell us what it is and comment down below. So, did you get the answer? Because it is nobody knows. It's a funny joke.
Yeah, she told it to me before. And I'm also going to tell you guys a joke. So I'm going to tell this knock knock joke. And you guys should do it to everyone else. I'm going to do it to her. I don't even think she will get it. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
See, she didn't get what I was meaning. So I said knock knock. And she said who's there? And I said knock knock again. But she has to say knock knock who? And then I will say you're smart. So that's basically the joke. And I'm doing my first color, which is pearl sea green. These are really metallic.
I can't wait to see it.
I can't wait to see how it turns out at the end. I want to see her so badly. When it's her turn.
And we love doing art. Like I said, it's really peaceful and so fun to do. And you can just enjoy it. You can paint anything you like.
Like if you're a good artist, obviously you do whatever you want.
And yeah, just follow your dreams and paint what you like.
Like I always wanted to be an artist. Like you know, like those artists out there that are really good, like better than me. Now I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna use the sea green again. And after this, I'm gonna be done.
So yeah, I can't wait to see it after mine.
Yeah, and after this, I'm gonna let it dry. So,
and by the way, it's school holidays after tomorrow, and yeah, and we love school actually.
And so far, this looks like it's going really good. So I started off thin and getting fatter and fatter to the fat part. And now I'm actually done. So I'm gonna go put it to dry.
And then it's my turn. I can't wait for my turn. And then she's gonna look back.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna put it to dry.
I can't wait to see what it turns out. Yeah,
I like it.
And then at the end, we're gonna compare us, and then you guys are gonna comment down below whose is better. So yeah.
So I just went and put it to dry. So now it's her turn, and I have to look away.
So it's my turn now. And these are all my colors.
And I can't wait to see hers.
Okay, yeah, so I'm going to start painting. So first I'm going to use this pearl golden hour. I really like these colors. But except if this was like a little lighter, so then it could be like a little matching.
Guys, I did this joke to my friends because knock knock. Who's the monkey?
Monkey who?
Why did you peel my banana? Get it? The monkey had a banana and the person peeled it.
So these are all really metallic. And we hope you enjoy watching paint. And before you watch us paint, don't forget to pause this video and then start painting something. If you don't have paint, just do something creative.
Like make origami or make paper airplanes or do something. Like make
Creative.
Yeah, creative. Like you could just color something in or draw something of your own. Or there's tons of things out there that are creative for you guys to do.
Yeah, so please enjoy doing art.
And you can enjoy doing a lot of things at home because you have like all the time in the world right now.
Because of COVID-19. Guys, there's this other joke that someone would ask you like, what's your name? And then you say Corona. And then they'll say surname, and then we say virus. And then they'll ask you your middle name, and then you say COVID. And then they'll ask you your age, and then you say 19. And then they ask you where you're from, and then some people say China. It's a funny joke.
Yeah, like. But
Okay.
you're really good at that.
Okay, now I'm up to my second color. And the second color is going to be the pearl kangaroo yellow.
And when I saw the joke, I was like laughing, and that's so weird. And also my mom was laughing.
And guys, stay safe at this time of the world. And if you're going to school,
Always wash your hands before and after.
and use
Or put hand sanitizer.
So yeah, and always be creative.
Yep. Like, if you don't have any textures or like paint, and you have pens like gel pencils, like those stuff, or crayons, or paint markers, you can use those and do creative arts, like make your own scribble and then draw monsters or something. Well, that's my
You
point.
can even draw.
Yeah. Like draw flowers, all that stuff. Roses.
By the way, guys, we're just giving you ideas what to do. You can do anything you like.
And also, her birthday's coming up in July.
And now I'm up to my last colour, Pearl Space Grey. This is sort of dark, so yeah. I'm just going to see what it turns out.
But yeah, I can't wait to see hers. I'm like waiting.
Maybe pasta.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now I am done. So
Now she's gonna go put it to dry. I'm just gonna do this so I can't see her. What she's doing. I can't see her thing. Actually can't do it. I'm doing this. I can see her, but I can't see her output.
okay, and I'm just putting all the colours back. So I'm just gonna go let this dry.
Okay, so I'm gonna go see how mine turned out.
So and I'm going to get mine, and then we're going to compare, and then yeah,
You guys can choose which one do you like. So, this is how mine turned out. I put some splats in the side to be like the stars.
and I'm gonna go get mine.
And then I'm sure it's pretty much dry. I like it. Not bad.
And this is mine.
Ooh, nice. That's a really simple one. Simple ones, I like them.
So this is like I done the darkest to lightest.
Looks like a tissue even gonna make.
Over. Okay, so guys, please tell us which one you like better, and always be creative. So before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post a new